Samsung fans have been anticipating the debut of the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is known for its blend of high-quality hardware and the treasured spirit of the Note series. This next flagship is generating a lot of interest, owing to features such as a camera system, cutting-edge display, and strong processor. And that's not all. There will be some design adjustments. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, according to rumors, would have a screen and a central frame with right angle and curved edges. There's even talk of using titanium for the frame, which would increase both its attractiveness and longevity. To add to the excitement, Concept Creator, a well-known tech visualizer, has published a concept film exhibiting their creative idea of what the Galaxy S24 Ultra would look like. This graphic portrayal gives enthusiasts a glimpse of how smart, elegant, and sophisticated this item may be. Enough that they've added an accessory in this representation. Its primary button has a copper accent. This reported design change seems to be limited to a version of this super flagship model, since it displays an even flatter screen for enhanced stylus capability. The leaked render of the S24 Ultra, however, bears a remarkable similarity to its real-life predecessor. Meanwhile, something unusual occurred in July. A Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 8 GB of RAM were supported by the Galaxy S24 Plus on Geekbench. The Korean version has now also appeared on Geekbench. This time it comes with the Exynos 2400 CPU and a staggering 12 GB of RAM. In comparison to the S23 Plus, which only had 8 GB of RAM, this is really an upgrade. The Geekbench results for the Exynos-powered versions with 8 and 12 GB are almost identical, but somewhat lower than those for the Snapdragon-powered variants. However, we must hold judgment until we have both versions in hand and can complete our testing. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.